Baby, it's your 18th. You know what that means?
What if the moon goddess didn't pair us together?
We're gonna be mates. We have to be. Just wait and see tonight, okay?
I wish to be mated to Jonah. I also wish for my touch of death to disappear with my wolf's arrival.
Aww. That is so sweet. Oh, Mara, you poor thing. It's probably impossible for you to be mated to someone like Jonah, the future alpha, with such a special ability.
It's okay. Either way, I choose you.
Jonah, I need you for a sec.
I'll be right back. Alpha, what is it?
Oh, I can't believe Jonah made us bake a fucking cake for this freak.
Why don't we let her eat it?
Happy birthday, Marabella.
Moon goddess, take away my special power. Take away my touch of death when you grant me my wolf and my mate. Please, I beg of you, I can't take this any longer.
Are you okay? The girl said you slipped while cutting the cake?
I'm okay.
Are you sure? You know, you can tell me anything.
Yeah, I'm good.
You'll be okay. We were waiting for this day since we became teenagers. To finally become mates.
But what if it's not you? What if I'm really cursed and I don't deserve?
Your touch of death doesn't work on me. Remember? That has to mean something.
But everyone...
Fuck them. I choose you no matter what. Okay? Oh. I thought I should warn you. He's back.
Who?
Kyan! My man. How was the mission?
Who would have thought? My father's killer turned 18 today. Who would have thought? My father's killer turned 18 today.
I never meant for Dominic to side.
Don't say his name!
Really? 3 months gone and you're gonna pull this shit as soon as you come back?
To be fair, I would have preferred not to see Marabella's face first thing.
Kyan! Kyan! Dude, wait up. Are you good? Why so grumpy? Did the mission not go well?
The mission went well. Don't know why Alpha Andre bothered sending in a crew when Kate could just take care of it.
I'm just not the type of person to rely on your ancient wolf. You know his ego. So, if it wasn't the mission, it's Marabella. You're upset that she's gonna be mated to me tonight. Because you still love her. You're upset that Marabella be mated to me tonight. Because you still love her.
Don't know what you're talking about.
Can we please talk about this? If you really don't care about us becoming mates,
Why
then...
would I care? Her touch of death killed my father. I'm an orphan because of her. Feel free to choose a monster as a mate, Jonah. I don't care.
It was an accident. You know that.
And you know she's not your mate. I know you sense it. Your wolf senses it too, doesn't he?
How did you know?
What were you planning to do when Marabella finds out tonight? That she's too cursed to be mated to a normal wolf?
She may not be my fated mate, but I can ask her to become my chosen mate. It's not common, but...
So you do think I'm cursed?
Wait, I didn't mean to.
I thought you were different.
Marabella, wait! Oh, wait. Let me explain. I never thought you were cursed.
Everyone hates me for my touch of death, Jonah. My own parents were scared of me. You were the only one who told me that I could be normal, that I could be loved.
And it's true. Whatever happens tonight, mate or no mate, I'll choose you.
But you're the next alpha. What kind of alpha would want a freak to be as Luna?
You're not a freak. You know what? First thing I'm gonna do when I become alpha is ban that fucking word.
You know she's mine, Kyan. You will claim her for us, whether you like it or not.
I love you. Okay?
We have a lot to celebrate tonight. First, we welcome back Kyan from his 3-month mission aiding Alpha Fenlon in his Crimson Rage Pack's border defense. Alpha Fenlon called to tell me that your wolf, Kaif, was the strongest warrior he's ever seen.
My wolf Kaif was passed on to me. I take no credit. But thank you, Alpha.
Moving on, Marabella, you'll get your wolf and your mate.
Moon Goddess, please grant me my wolf and my mate.
The Moon Goddess has spoken. Marabella shall be mated to Kyan.
Congratulations, Mara. Alpha Andre, this is wonderful. Mara has the power to kill wolves just by touching them, and Kaif is a wolf known to kill all other wolves. I really don't see a better pairing.
Alicia.
Oh, wait. Shit. I forgot. Mara, your touch of death killed Kyan's father.
That's enough, Alicia!
Jonah, I know my mate rejected me a few years ago, but maybe this is fate. Maybe the Moon Goddess wanted us
I
to...
choose Marabella.
What? Jonah!
You don't want her, do you? Reject her. Reject her and I claim her as my chosen mate. Reject her and I claim her as my chosen mate.
No.
What?
You don't understand.
You're right, I don't understand. Reject her and both of you will be free.
Please stop! This is embarrassing enough for me. I don't want to talk to you right now, Jonah. What do you want? If you're here to insult me further, to call me names.
It's that bad. Finding out I'm your mate.
Wait, you're 23. You turned 18 years ago, which means you knew? You knew we were mates?
I've known long before that, Marabella. I've known we were mates since we were kids. Since before you killed my father. I've known we were mates since we were kids. Since before you killed my father.
Well, then why didn't you say anything?
When are you going to tell me?
Jonah!
When are you going to tell me? Is this why you're always against me and Mara? So you can have her all for yourself?
I don't want her, Jonah.
Stop fucking lying. I know you care about her. Even without your way to use her Kaif's power.
Shut up if you know what's good for you.
What are you guys talking about?
Mara, I'm sorry I had to go through that in front of the whole pack. I don't know what Kyan was thinking.
You were supposed to be my mate, Jonah, not him.
I know.
It's not too late. Kyan Blackwood, I, Marabella Swan of the Fire Moon Pack, reject you as a mate. Kyan Blackwood, I, Marabella Swan of the Fire Moon Pack, reject you as a mate.
What did you do?
You heard me, now accept my rejection.
Get out.
Kyan, are you okay?
I said get out!
I'll be right outside. Okay? She's my girl. If you hurt her, I will never forgive you.
Tell me, Marabella. Tell me you feel nothing.